Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and welcome to week 36 design class by me, Cikgu Roni atau Cikgu Roni sana. So how's everyone? I hope you are staying at home and do your part, your responsibility as um, people who live in Brunei Darussalam. So we shall continue our lesson, but before that, let's recite Doa. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma wa sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Okay. For this week lesson, we shall talk about new theme that is system. We shall talk about plant system. We shall talk about root system, and we shall talk about types of roots. Plant system. Okay, good. Now, the objective for this week are to identify the parts of a plant system, to classify roots into groups. Okay. Now, what we shall do is we shall recap previous lesson, last week lesson, and we shall talk about parts of a plant, okay, and then we talk about root system, and we also talk talk about types of roots. Now we shall start by revising previous lesson about preventing the spread of disease. Mind my glasses, I have light. See light. This is round light. No worries, I'll be closer like this. Okay, so I can show you my long hair. Okay, now last week we have learned about caring for others. That is by keeping things clean. Bathrooms, toilet, floors, and tables should be wiped and cleaned with disinfectants. Now, disinfectants means chemical that is used to kill germs. Disinfectant is a liquid chemical that kills germs. Okay, next, garbage should be properly sealed and stored in a rubbish bin. Let me move myself here. Okay, germs can be easily spread from one person to another. If you have infectious disease, stay away from other people. That we have learned to prevent spreading germs in the air. Wear a face mask, cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze. Like I said, if you are sick, wear your face mask, the blue side inside. Okay. We also learn about things that we can do to stop mosquito from spreading diseases around your house. Now there are two types of diseases that we have learned, that is malaria and dengue. Okay. So in order to prevent disease by mosquito, we empty out or overturn any water containers around your home. We also change the water in the vase regularly. We keep toilets and bathroom dry, and we can also use insect repellents. If I'm not mistaken, from somewhere I read, we can also plant lemongrass. I read somewhere mosquito do not like the smell of lemongrass. Okay, now we move on to a new topic, that is parts. No. This is not a new topic, but revise about parts of a plant. Before we move on to the new topic, move myself here again. Okay, parts of a plant, as we have learned, are the flower, leaf, fruit, stem, and root. So there are two types in a plant. There are two parts, that is shoot system, this top part, The top part is called shoot system, and the bottom part is called root system. For this week, we shall learn about this bottom part, the root system. Okay, there are plants have two main system. Like I said, plants have two main system: the root system, which is here, root system, and the shoot system, which is on top of the soil here. This part of the plant is called the shoot system. This part of a plant is called the root system. Now, the root system has two parts: the roots and the root hairs. So the root hairs are like hairs, like my long hair. If you can see here, it's not thick, it's small like hairs. So these are called root, and the small roots are called root hairs. Okay, you can see that. If you pull a plant and you look at the roots yang halus-halus, the small thing like hairs are called root hairs. Okay, next, let's take a look. Now, which of these parts are called root and which one are root hairs? If you can see here, which one are root, which one root, akar, which one root hairs? Now the answer would be this thick thing yang besar sedikit macam ni. If you can see here, I'm pointing towards here. That are roots. Root hairs are the smaller parts, like this one, like this one, and this one. That are root hairs. The smaller part, like here, that are root hairs. Now look at this picture. Which one is called roots or root? Which one are called root hairs? This is easy. Now this main part are root. This one root, and the smaller part is are root hairs. That is very easy. So it's very easy to identify a root. The thick part are roots. The thinner part, like this one, are hairs. Yang macam rambut are root hairs. Okay. What is the function of root system? The root system help the plants in two main ways. Well, number one, it helps to hold the plant in the soil. The second function would be it helps to take in water and minerals from the soil and carry them to other parts of the plant, like in the picture here. This person water the plant, and water in the soil with minerals will go inside the roots and will go up to and it will be sent to all parts of the plant, maybe leaves or flower or fruits. Now, next we shall talk about types of roots. Now there are two main types of roots, that is tap roots and fibrous roots. So tap roots looks like this, tap root, and fibrous roots look like this. Okay, it's quite easy. Okay, let me explain. Tap roots, example of tap roots are carrots and dandelion. They have one main roots with smaller side roots. Okay, this one, they have one main roots, carrot, and many small, like this one, small roots, smaller side roots. These are called tap roots group, tap root. So dandelion is the same, one main root, big one, and many small side roots, like this one. This is side roots, small side roots. So these are called this type of roots are called tap roots. Another type of roots, fibrous roots, are grass and African violet. This is grass. They have roots that branch out in all direction. Now, for grasses, they do not have main root like this one is not the same. Main root ni ia ada satu akar yang besar, one big root and many smaller roots. But this one, they have all roots, many small roots, no big roots. So this one, many small roots and very thick. Like this one is the same, many small roots, no main roots. Okay, our lesson stops until there. Next week we shall learn about, if I'm not mistaken, shoot system. So what I need to do after this would be do your worksheet through the Google form that I have provided. Let's summarize our today's lesson. That is, one, root system have two part. One is roots, and second is root hairs. Second summary, lesson recap: two function of roots. One, to hold the plant in the soil. Second, helps to take water and minerals from the soil and carry them to other parts of the plant. And lesson recap 3, two types of roots: tap roots and fibrous roots. So okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, if you're looking through YouTube, please like the video, and you can share it your family, share the video with family and friends. And you can also subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get updates every week. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and see you next week.